Hi, I'm Winnie, and today I'm at RUIHUI, an automation equipment company serving the global stamping industry. Today, I will take you through the company.
Founded in 2000, RUIHUI has evolved from a mechanical parts workshop into a leading automation solution provider, with decades of experience and strong partnership with
RUIHUI now has more than 80 R&D engineers and a professional after-sales team. We can deliver highly reliable machines and can design customized automation lines to meet different press automation needs. Here is our manufacturing workshop. Precision parts here are machined with advanced CNC equipment and digital inspection, ensuring every delivery meets the highest quality standards. That's all for our company today. If you are interested in press automation solutions, welcome to contact us.